to view someone's TikTok story without them knowing. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how, let's follow the step. So open up TikTok and then you should be finding this interface. Now from here, you can tap on the info section in the bottom. After that, what you will be doing is, at the top you should be finding all of the stories. So if you're trying to view someone's story, what you can do is, before viewing the story, first of all, wait for the story to completely load. After that, turn off your Wi-Fi or turn on airplane mode. After that, go on with the process of viewing the story. And when you do that, the viewer should not be knowing that you have already viewed that story. Otherwise, what you can do is, go to the profile in the bottom right, open a profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top, and go to settings and privacy. After going here, scroll down, go to the logout option, and once you are logged out, what you can do is you can go ahead and look for the person's story that you're trying to look for. So if their account is public and they have posted the story publicly, you will be finding their story. You will be able to view their story, and that's it. So for now, you may follow this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.